Yes, good morning students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall read a poem. The name of the poem is
The monkey from Liger.
The Monkey from
Liger.
Raigar. Look at the picture. How many pictures are there in the lesson? Two pictures, right? Thank you. Good. In the first picture, mark the first picture.
A tiger.
Who are there in the first picture?
A tiger and a monkey.
A tiger and a monkey are there in the first picture. Who is riding the tiger? Who is riding the tiger?
The monkey.
Yes, the monkey is riding the tiger. Who is there in the second picture? Who is there in the second picture?
tiger.
Only the tiger. Is there the monkey? In the second picture?
No.
No, there is no monkey. Where has the monkey gone? You don't know? Where the monkey is gone? We don't know. Okay, what would have happened to the monkey? Eaten by tiger or the monkey has gone away? Which is correct? Eaten by?
Tiger.
Eaten by the tiger, maybe. Who can say? Who can say? Raise your hand. Yes, you. Who will? Tell. I shall tell, sir.
I shall tell.
You will tell. Okay, tell. In Oriya, you can tell in Oriya. Say in Oriya. What would have happened to the monkey?
Monkey is eating the tiger.
Monkey is eating or monkey is eaten by tiger?
Monkey is
Eaten by tiger, right? So, let's learn. What did I say? Let's learn what actually happened to the monkey. Right? Now here is the story. Look at the picture. In one of the picture, a monkey is riding a tiger. Who is riding a tiger?
The monkey.
A monkey is riding whom?
A tiger.
Right, a monkey is riding a tiger. Will the monkey be happy riding the tiger? Is the monkey happy? Happy or sad? Happy, yes. Crying is happy. Because the monkey is riding the tiger. Who is riding the tiger?
The monkey is riding the tiger.
Thank you. In the other picture, second picture, the tiger is there, but the monkey is not there. What happened? The tiger is there, but monkey is not there. Where did the monkey go? Can you say where did the monkey go?
No.
Let's read the poem and enjoy it, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's have word meaning. Look means what? Tell.
देखो.
Happy.
खुशी.
Other.
अन्य.
There.
सेठारे.
Where.
केउठी.
Go.
जीवा.
Read.
परिवार.
Poem.
पद्य.
And and enjoy.
आनंद.
Ananda.
उपभोग କରିବା.
Upajog. That word upajog or upabhog?
उपभोग କରିବା.
Write it. It means
ଏହା.
let's have sentence making. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Who can make a sentence using the word look? Yes, raise your hand. Who can? Can you tell?
I am look a monkey.
No, it's not wrong. Look at the TV, look at the picture, look at the pen. Another word, tell. Look at your book.
Book.
Right, look at Basudev, look at Balaram.
Look at the TV.
Right, look at the TV. Take a look at the book. Next. Thank you. Who can make a sentence using the word happy?
I am happy now.
Right. Next.
Today is Balaram's happy birthday.
You Balaram say today is Vasudev's
Birthday.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay. Who can make a sentence using the word other? Yeah. Tell who can raise your hand.
Where is your other son?
Where is your other shirt? Where is your other pen? Where is your other book? Right.
Yes.
Next. Where is my book? Who can make a sentence using the word where?
Where is my book?
Another sentence pen.
Where
Is my pen? No, where is my pen? Book. Where is my pant? Where is my pencil? Okay. Where is he going? Where is Vasudeva going? Where is Balaram going? Like this. Next, who can make a sentence using the word go?
Where shall you go?
Right, where shall you go? Next,
Where did he go?
where did he go? Where did Punnam go? Where did Vasudeva go? Where did Balaram go? Where shall Balaram go? Right?
Yes.
Next, who can make a sentence using the word read? Yes, I shall read, sir. I shall read. I shall
Who
tell.
will read?
Who will read it? You say, I shall read.
I shall read. I shall read.
I shall read. I shall read. I shall read it. Thank you. That's like a good boy. Next, who can make a sentence using the word and?
Ram and Syam.
Shyam, that is not Shyam. Shyam. Ram and Shyam.
Ram and Syam are two friends.
Yes, Balaram and Vasudeva are two brothers, right? Who can make a sentence using the word enjoy?
We enjoy playing.
Great. Playing what? Cricket or football or volleyball or ring ball? What? Tell.
Cricket.
Cricket. We enjoy playing cricket. Who can make a sentence using the word it?
It is a dog.
It is a book. It is my nose. Okay?
Yes.
Next. Yes, here is the text. The text is like this. Look at the text. There was a monkey, Tiger, who rode on a.
Tiger.
They returned from the with the monkey.
Inside.
Right. And the smile
on the
face of the tiger. There was a monkey.
From tiger.
Where was the monkey from? Tell. The monkey was from Raigar. Raigar is a place or a person name. Tell. Raigar is a place. Yes, place. Raigar is a place. The monkey was from Mundamarai. Raigar. Mundamarai. Dharakoto. Aska. Then from which place?
Tiger.
Raigar. Raigar is a place. Okay. Who rode on a tiger? Who rode? Who rode? Monkey or a tiger? The monkey rode on a tiger. Okay, they returned from the ride. Who returned from the ride? Who? The tiger and the monkey returned from the ride with the monkey inside. Who was inside?
The monkey side.
Monkey was inside the tiger. That means the tiger had eaten the monkey. What had happened to monkey? The tiger had eaten the.
Monkey.
So the monkey was inside the tiger's stomach. Could understand? Where was the monkey? The monkey was inside the tiger's stomach. And the smile on the face of the tiger. Who was smiling?
The monkey.
Monkey was smiling. Tiger was smiling. Why the tiger is smiling? Tell. Because it had eaten the monkey, right? There was a monkey from Riger. Okay. Now let's have word meaning. Who? G. Road. Returned. Ride. Inside. Smile. Face. Sentence making. Who can make a sentence using the word who? Raise your hand. Who can make a sentence? Yes.
Who ate my ice cream?
Who ate my ice cream? Who took my book? Who beat me? Who beat me? Who pinched me? Right? Next. Who can make a sentence using the word road? Raise your hand. Road. Yesterday. Bicycle. Right? Yesterday Vasudeva rode a new bicycle. Next. Who can make a sentence using the word returned? Raise your hand.
I returned from my uncle's house.
Yes, yesterday I returned from my uncle's house, or today I returned from my uncle's house. Who can make a sentence using the word inside? Raise your hand.
I ate a
Chocolate.
and it is inside my stomach.
Stomach. I ate an apple and it is inside my stomach. I ate idli and it is inside my
Stomach.
right. Who can make a sentence using the word smile? Yes, smile, I shall give you a chocolate. Smile, I shall give you a dantigili. Okay? I shall give you a jalebi. Smile, I shall give you a rasgulla. Right? Who can make a sentence using the word face?
This is my face.
This is my face. That this is his face. Right? My face is round. Now question answer time. What did I say? First question. Who are there in the poem? Who are there in the poem? Tell. A monkey, tiger are there.
In the poem.
Right. Thank you. Next. Who rode on a tiger?
A monkey rode on a tiger.
Right. The monkey was from.
The monkey was from tiger.
Right. What does they stand for?
They stands for the monkey and the tiger.
Right. When they came back, the monkey was inside tiger's stomach. Sorry. Question. Wait. Just 1 minute. Where was the monkey when they came back?
When they came back in the monkey.
No, you are wrong. When they came back, the monkey was in the
tiger's
stomach. Right. Question number 6. Who was smiling?
The tiger was smiling.
Why was the tiger smiling?
The tiger was smiling because it had eaten the monkey.
Right. The tiger was smiling because it has eaten the monkey. Question number 8. What did I say? Question number 8. What is Riger? The name of a person or a place?
Tiger is
a
name of a place.
Yes, Riger is a name of a place. Could understand?
Yes.
What did I say? What did I say?
Tiger is a name of place.
Yes, how do you know it is the name of a place? Because
The monkey
was from
there.
there. Okay, it was all about the first